Hello guys. In last video we learned how to install n8n in our virtual machine. Now today we will design some workflows. Today we will do workflow for generate salary slip for employees. Okay. So for that data we need to capture all data and save in Google Sheet. Okay. First of all, we need to have salary slip template. So we will use same salary slip template for employee. I have designed just the basic design I have. If you have your own, then you can use your own salary slip. This is for demo purpose, so that's why it's like this. Okay, let's move. Just make it in Google Drive. And next, you need to have a Google Sheet to capture all information about your employee. So let's capture from salary slip. Just copy and paste what information in. Okay, now we have data for employee. Similarly, you can generate multiple. You can load multiple data of multiple employees. Okay, let's now move to salary. We need to create the template. So let's let's create some variable, which is variable. Use any format of variable. I will use like this format. Okay, now template is created fully. Period is missing. Okay, now save this one. Let's go and create some workflow. First, which we generated. Fill your details like client IDs and client secret, which is you will get from developer account. Let's have a payslip demo. File name is payslip demo. Select search payslip demo. Payslip demo sheet one. Okay, let's get. Okay, now we have this generated. Now next we need to we need to create the salary slip from the template without data. Okay, so let's go use Google Drive, create a copy. Oh, here is showing date format is not correct, so let's change the date format. Just again. Okay, showing here January 2024. Okay, now create the file name. We created this payslip template. The name is payslip template. It's here. Now I need to give the name of that salary slip. Salary slip. Salary slip. And use this employee name and which month. This month. Okay. So salary slip it will save in this name, so you can have in your system which salary slip is for which employee and which month. If you want to save all salary slip in the same directory, use this trick. Otherwise, you want to create another, use file name this folder name. So demo and salary slip. This is the folder. Okay, let's create the salary slip without data. Okay, so this salary slip is generated here. Let's open this. Okay, this file name is created, but the data is not filled here. So we will fill now the data in this one. Let's remove, cancel. So next workflow, next step, I will use the same Google Doc update. Doc ID is here. Let's find and replace the old one. Old need to have this trigger. The old name we capture, we created this one like this. So we will remove this one and put the data in this one. So let's do one by one from here. And this one is pay. Okay, now all data is captured. Let's run and replace this with the variable. We are getting this error because of a string issue. So because we're searching text but replacing the number. So let's make it text also. Any symbol, currency symbol, just maybe like I make dollar, or you can make any currency symbol in all field. Okay, then test again. Yeah, now it's generated. Let's check salary slip generated, and you can see all variables will change now. Let's move to next step. We'll send a WhatsApp message, and this salary slip we will send as a PDF. Okay, for that one we need to have a developer account in Facebook, so you can generate the access key, and you can approve also. You need to approve. You have to approve for. You need to get approval of template, WhatsApp template. Let's copy this. Uh, use post indication will use header. Yeah, this message is delivered. Okay, next we need to send this salary slip to email, from the email to employee email. For this one, we need to convert this Google Doc to PDF through HTTP request. Now you see is converted, that same salary slip. Now we need to send to email. I will use SMTP, or you can use Gmail. If you have configured Gmail, then you can send from Gmail or SMTP. Fill your detail, user ID, password, and your server details. I already filled, so let's use that. attach your PDF which is generated. This data name data and send this request. Yeah, email is sent successfully. Let me check. Uh, we received here. Yeah, same salary slip. You can customize your salary slip and it will generate here. Okay, that's done. Uh, you can save this, rename this all automations steps. If you need any support, you can contact. I will drop my email in the description. Okay, thank you.